This is Anne LePan of Shooting Star Astrology with the astrological forecast for today, Saturday, May 30th. Today, Venus is affiliated with the star Pollux, the evil twin of Gemini. Pollux is hot-headed, but astute and wily. Venus rules our comforts. The drive to reach our greatest security levels will motivate us today. And speaking of wily, the moon will be traveling through Scorpio today. This will add an undercurrent of steady action to guide us through the day. We'll delve into the deeper meanings of things. We'll look below the surface and into secret places. People want to do things privately under the Scorpio influence and take time to enjoy being alone. The word of the day is dive. Slip beneath the surface today to uncover explanations and reasons. The color of the day is sable. It's the darkest brown. To enhance direction and discovery today, wear something in the color sable. Tomorrow's color will be graphite. The guitar music that you hear in the background was written, played, and recorded by me. A while back, I wrote an instructional book on guitar playing, and you can get it as an ebook on Amazon. This is Anne LePan reminding you that astrology offers guidance, but only you make your own choices. Enjoy the day.